This video is about topic 5 manufacturing overhead. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to know the concept of actual, apply and budgeted overhead. And they can make comparison of actual costing, normal costing and standard costing. End of this video, students also able to calculate POR, predetermined overhead rate. Okay, first student must know about what is MO. MO is all the costing except direct material and direct labor. And example, all indirect material, indirect labor and all the costing that start with the keyword factory are considered as our MO. Example, factory utility and factory insurance. Concept of MO, we have three types of MO. Actual MO, budgeted MO, and apply MO. Actual MO is overhead that actually occurs. Example, utility fee. End of the year, end of the month, we will have our utility bill. At that moment, this is called actual overhead because we already received the bill and this is our actual MO that we need to make the payment. Budgeted overhead is our estimation of our overhead based on our past experience. Example, this month, we don't know yet our utility fee, but we can do our prediction based on our last month utility bill. Example, last month our utility bill are 100. So roughly this month we can do prediction that our utility fee is about 100 something. So budgeted overhead is just an estimation based on our past experience. Last, apply overhead. Apply overhead is calculate estimation based on our actual activity, and this is based on our formula base. Formula that you need to remember for this actual overhead are POR, predetermined overhead rate, multiplies with actual activity base. I will further let you know at the next slide. Comparison of actual, normal costing and standard costing. Actual costing are all considered actual data. They have actual DML, actual DL, and actual MO. Normal costing, we have actual DML, actual DL, and apply MO to calculate our product cost. Standard costing, all data are the standard data. We will use standard DML, standard DL, and standard MO. Standard at here also mean estimation or our budgeted data or prediction. Normal costing is the costing that we will use to calculate our cost product. Due to we won't know about our actual MO until we have the bill or until some period of time. To determine product cost per unit under normal costing system, MO are calculated using the formula POR. And what is the formula for POR? POR is predetermined overhead rate. And the formula is estimated or budgeted total MO divide with budgeted activity basic. And at here, activity basic here, we have 5 of it. DML cost, DL cost, machine hour, unit production, and DL hour. DML stand for direct material. DL stand for direct labor. And if let's say activity base is used DML or DL, our POR will be unit measurement will be in percentage. If let's say our activity basis is used machine hour, unit production, or DL hour, our PLO unit measurement will be in answer RM Okay, this is, I will stop until here. Please follow my video to do further exercise for it. Thank you.